Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Burna Boy performing for his African Giant album anniversary, 5 years on the go. So 5 years ago, Burna Boy released African Giant album, which got him a Grammy Award, and he is the only African artist. He is the only Nigerian artist that has gotten Grammy Award from his own music. Wizkid only got nominated by the Grammy from his hit single Essence, but he did not win it. Rather, he won Grammy through Beyonce's song Brown Skin Girl. So Burna Boy is here celebrating the success of that album, and everyone is actually vibing to Burna Boy's African Giant, and Odogu is showcasing his talent. I hope you enjoy the video. As you go ahead to watch the video, don't forget to click on the subscription button and get yourself subscribed to the channel, and also comment. Let me know what your thoughts over this video are in the comment section. Put on the bell notification icon on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you.
I won't perform. Right now, and I'm on time, I don't go Instagram. I go use it, I go use it. I see my faster. I can see my change. So if I do you want that, apologize. All the people who can see my life, but don't make them laugh. Let me go higher. I don't want higher. My feelings don't get right. Let me go higher. Let me go higher. I don't want higher. My feelings don't get right. Let me go higher. You must say she don't love you now. Snakes and spiders. The rumble, lose your life, make it up, but your mother just sleep at night. She know that you are. Some people live for mortuary. Some people live for hospital. Count your blessings one by one, sure bet you. I must walk to lift our voices now. Lift my voices through. Let me go.
Let's restart. Everybody put your hands in the air. Hands up. Now play. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.